everyone, so welcome back to Need to Doctor. This is Shruti Ahuja, MBBS third year student at GMC Chandigarh. So in this video, I'm not going to give you any academics specific tips. Here I'm just going to talk about general but important, very important message for MBBS first years and second years. I think so. People who have just joined their MBBS second year would agree on most of the points which I will discuss in this video. And if you don't agree, then do comment on which point you agree and on which you don't. Because I also want to know your view, your point of view, because this is my point of view, right? And for the MBBS first years, it is a kind of guidelines and key points which you need to keep in your mind before or if you have just started your first year, right? So first is realization of don't trust everyone or anyone blindly, because even if you are listening to my guide or anyone on the YouTube, irrespective of how many followers the person is having or how much popularity the person or your senior is having in the college, you don't have to trust anyone blindly. Just evaluate everyone's statements, suggestions, and then accept it and apply it. If a person is saying, your senior is saying, or anyone is saying that you should always enjoy and study in the last 3 months or 2 months, so is it right? You just tell me. Your inner self would say no, it is not right. MBBS is a serious, right, study, and very we can say a nice profession, and we need to study much for it to learn, because it is difficult. We know the study is kind of harder than as compared to others, so you need to give your extra to achieve more and learn and grasp more. So for that you need to study very seriously and in a disciplined way, so that theory of just enjoying the whole year and in the last 3 months you are just studying, no. And that too from markings, right? So that is not right now. So would you trust the person A or the person B who is saying that you should study whole year and keep your life in a balanced way? That person. So this way you have to evaluate everyone's each and every guidance. Take guidance from everyone, no problem. But yes, you need to evaluate everyone's guidance, even mine also. Next is everyone has their own normal and choices. I'm not saying that a person was wrong. Maybe that study pattern suits him. But we all know what is correct and what is not. And even one person would say, I study 2 to 3 hours in the night. But you are a morning bird. So you don't have to trust everyone blindly. You have to follow your normal, your choices, your comfort zone. But yes, you have to be consistent. The main key is consistency, as that was in the need time. Next is senior is not a cheat code. Whatever the senior says, you don't have to take them as cheat codes. Yes, they do give you the markings and the most probable questions and most repeated questions and the markings from the book as well. But don't take it as a sole source and don't be dependent on them to pass your exams, because this is a very responsible profession, and if you don't study right now properly, then obviously you would face difficulty in third and fourth year. It is very obvious. So study well in first and second year, build your basics as much as you can, and then you will be much happier in third and fourth. Then study from day one. Yes, be consistent as discussed before. Don't think abhi to college shuru hua hai. No, you have to study from the day one. I think so you all must have taken very good break after your counseling and all. Now you have to start study, because there is much syllabus, and sometime you would also require and you would also spend in searching across the platforms, resources, and adjusting yourself to this new type of curriculum and all. Next, don't rely on the college schedule. Like the college schedule, if you think you will just read and cover the syllabus according and with the college, it is not possible. You have to make your own set of schedule and own schedule of covering the syllabus, because if you will rely on the college schedule, then some topics of yours would be left for sure before the exam, right? Because many times college just completes the schedule like 1 week before the send up exam or the pre-university exam. But if you don't complete that syllabus on time, you will not get any time for revision, and that is not good now, because no revision, no marks. Next is, never believe that college is only for enjoyment. No, it is not so. You're not in any like other type of college. Rather, any type of profession, any college is has become very serious in today's date. Everything has become so competitive that you need to upgrade yourself. You need to upgrade your skills to that level to resist and survive in any of the field right now. And you all must have come to the known to the fact that in MBBS also the seats have increased so much and are also increasing more to like increase the supply, but the demand is not increasing that much right now. The ratio is so much disturbed, so we need to understand, to survive in this field we need to upgrade ourselves, we need to give academic boost and upgrade, and that is only possible if we are serious. We like not that don't take tension, everything is normal, but you have to be somewhat consistent with your study, right? All the best for your MBBS journey, both to the first years and second years. Because, and do tell me, the second year people, that you agree with these points or not. Thank you.